I don't know where there's
pothole in it.
pothole,
Yeah.
so I'm taking my time.
True. All kind of weather in Jamaica, innit?
Oh look, man! I can't see the.
And wet up the poor girl, man.
Really bad. Gosh, man.
Straight. The drainage down there is terrible, though, isn't it?
Very, very, very terrible. Very terrible. There's nobody from miles ahead, left or right. Ah! Good job that wasn't in my mouth. Yeah, it's just so dumb. That means every
In
time.
300 meters, at the roundabout, turn right.
No drainage. Whee! I missed that one, innit? Like your windows up.
Yeah.
Was that a bus that come that time?
That was a bad one.
Alright. He must be going fast. That one must be going fast, isn't it?
Driving fast. So the water running down the street.
Running down there.
In 1 kilometer,
And that's where we just come from,
you'll arrive at Red Hills
isn't
Road.
it?
Yeah.
Look at the water running down the street for real. Yeah. That's a much easier way to get to it. Just carry on. I'm like a wee man, so it's a good thing. Jamaica refuse truck. Yeah, go on, you can go on then.
I was wondering. Ooh, look at this one.
You'll arrive in 300 meters.
I was wondering if he was going to be there. And he did.
You've arrived at your destination.
Keep going, keep going. Coming up very soon.
going right to right.
Yeah.
Better to do.
Alright. Let's see. There it is. Casa Feliz. Next turning. The next turning. Yeah.
Who wants to run him down from Reading, man? Oh my God.
Red water in this one, isn't it? Red water, red. Alright.